In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Google Meet notifications. If constant pop-ups and pings are pulling your attention away from work, this quick walkthrough will help you silence Google Meet desktop notifications so you can focus without missing anything important later. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Google Meet homepage. Make sure you're signed into the account where you receive your meetings. You'll land on the main Meet screen with options to start or join a meeting. From here, we'll jump straight into the settings that control what you see and hear on your computer. Look toward the top right corner of the page for the gear icon labeled Settings and click it. This opens a simple panel where Meet groups its controls. These settings apply to the Google account you're currently using in this browser, so if you switch accounts, you may want to repeat this process later for consistency. Inside the Settings panel, click General. This is where Meet keeps the everyday preferences that affect your overall experience outside of any specific call. You'll see an option for desktop notifications. This setting controls whether Google Meet can show alert banners and sounds on your computer when something needs your attention, such as being called or receiving activity updates. Toggle desktop notifications off. When you switch it off, the control will change state to indicate it's disabled. From now on, Meet will stop showing desktop pop-ups and related alerts on this device for this account. Your change is saved automatically, so you don't need to click anything else. You can close the settings panel and continue working. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you find that notifications still appear, your browser may be allowing site notifications globally. Turning them off in Google Meet usually does the job, but if you continue seeing alerts, check your browser's notification permissions for the Meet site. Also, remember this change only affects Google Meet notifications on this browser profile. If you use another browser or device, you'll want to adjust the setting there as well. And if you ever need notifications back, simply return to Settings, open General, and turn desktop notifications on again. That's all there is to it. You've successfully turned off Google Meet notifications, keeping your desktop free from interruptions while you stay in control of your meeting schedule. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the quieter workspace.